Seen
So
like
Rakesh, if you had the money, so
yes,
I said,
yes.
Rakesh, if you had the money, would you build a home like that, or would you build a different kind of home?
I am doing good. Thank you for asking, ma'am. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm also good. Thanks, Rakesh, for asking. So, Rakesh, I'm meeting you for the first time, I think. And what do you do, and where are you from?
Yes, I am from Ahmedabad, and
Okay,
currently I am at my home. So I am just a YouTuber. So
okay,
I
you are
just
fine.
yeah.
So great. So you upload videos regarding the communication skills, or you have any other channels as well?
Yes, yes, communication skill as well as related to spoken English.
Okay, great, Rakesh. So how's your sessions going on so far? I can see that you are on your
Yeah,
100th session, I think.
yes, yes. I think that is 101 session. Last time
Yes, right,
I
right.
completed. Can you hear me?
Great. How are your sessions going on so far? Yes, I can hear you, Rakesh. I think there is a network lag because my previous session also I
Mhm.
faced network lag. Just let me know that if you still face it, I'll shut the video for some time
No problem, no problem. I can hear you. I can hear you.
then.
Yes.
Okay, Rakesh. Great, great.
Mm.
So yes, I
Yes,
missed on what did you say that what do you do, Rakesh?
yes, yes. I am just a YouTuber, so I just
YouTube.
practice of my
Okay.
spoken English and I upload videos of my communication skills on my channel. So that is what I do. Yeah.
Okay, great, Rakesh. So, Rakesh, I'm Ankita and I'm from Mumbai. I'm a part time tutor with Clapingo. Professionally, I'm a
Mhm.
soft skill trainer and an image consultant.
Animate? Did you say animate?
No, I didn't say anime, I said image consultant, image.
Image consultant. Sorry,
Yeah.
image
So,
consultant.
yes, yes, image consultant. So, that's about me. And today's topic, have you gone through it?
Yes, I have seen the topic is about billionaires.
Billionaire,
If I
yes.
am not.
Yes. So let's talk about the topic. And before that, there are two idioms which is shared. That is feel the pinch. The first one is feel the pinch. Do you know the meaning of feel the pinch?
Feel the pinch, yes. I have gone through the session, so I came to know about that. Feel the means feel the is it
Pinch.
about feel? Yeah, feel the pinch means scarcity of money, feeling scarcity of money, facing
Yes.
problem of scarcity of money. Yes.
Right. Or having some financial hardships. Right.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
So after quitting the job, corporate job, they have really started feeling the pinch.
yes, yes.
And the second one is hit the jackpot. What is the meaning of hit the jackpot?
Yeah. Trying to earn money quickly as much as it is possible. So it is
Correct.
hit the
Correct.
jackpot.
So do you want to try making a sentence on it?
Hit the job jackpot. Yes, I would say by YouTube, I am nowadays I'm trying to hit the jackpot by YouTube or being as a YouTuber.
By starting your
As a
own business.
YouTuber. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So that's great. Okay. Now let's start the topic. That will be
Mhm.
your billionaires. Okay. So we all have heard at least one billionaire in our lifetime. We have witnessed their opulence and grandeur. So they have inspired us or made us green with envy, right? Who are some billionaires you know of? Who is self-made billionaire in your opinion?
Mhm. Yes, I know few billionaires like Warren Buffett and Steve Jobs, as well as Ratan Tata from our India, Dhirubhai Ambani,
Right.
and Bill Gates and Elon Musk. So few of them I know. Yeah.
And do you know the life story of any one of the billionaire?
Uh, Not sure, not really, but as I am aware, they are quite like busy. They have hectic schedule and busy lifestyle. Although they have everything on like extravagant personality, they spend lots of money in single thing. But from that, if we see all other things how they
Mhm.
manage, it is really difficult for us if we see such kind of lifestyle. It is there are lots of work they have to complete and attending meeting and managing so many people as
Yeah.
they are working under them. So it is quite difficult. So we have to learn that skill if we really want to be linear or want to adapt want to have such kind of
Want to become a billionaire.
lifestyle. Yes, yes, want to be a big billionaire. Yes.
Yeah, become a billionaire or be a billionaire. Okay. Fine. So, what do you know about their business or or the empire?
Sorry,
Do you know
please
anything
repeat.
about their empire? Do you know anything about their empire or their business? If you have to pick up one and tell about that.
Yes, yes. If I talk about Tata, so there are so many products of Tata's, like Tata Salt, Tata Chemicals, Tata Steel, and new product was also launched, like Tata Nano. Although it didn't didn't go that much, but Tata Nano was also really good for uh, lower middle class family, so that
Hmm.
they could afford. So it was introduced. So that was really great. And Tata has done lots of work. Then they also did uh, like donation in lockdown. I think it was 1,500 crore rupees they donated. So it was really
Right.
great. Yes.
They're completely into donations as well. They like sharing things rather than it's not only taking, it's also sharing. That's what they believe in. So TCS,
Yes.
your Taj Properties, even the airlines now.
Mm,
So Air India has a merge with Tata's. So there is a lot of things they have. They have a big, huge empire, but they also believe that every staff of theirs, which I actually enjoy about knowing about Tata's, is their staff is
mm,
very well taken care of, not only the staff
mm,
but also their family members. Okay, so
mm.
that's something which is quite impressive about Tata's, which others
Yes.
I would say, like other businesses, they don't provide. It's like a family. Tata is like a family, rest is like a business.
Mm,
So yes,
mm.
that's my perspective, and of course that can be different for others. So what about let's have the next questions. What is the most outlandish thing you have seen someone spend money on? So you, when you see the billionaires, have you ever seen somebody spending money like very lavishly? And what is that something which you feel that wow, that the person just bought it in the fractions of second?
Fraction of.
So they just buy it. What is the most outlandish thing you have seen someone spend money on?
Mhm. Differently as their opinion, like in a car, luxurious car, they spend money. So I have seen, as I was in Baruch city, so I have seen few people had uh, Mercedes car, or uh, there is also uh, Audi. So different kind of, they mostly prefer to have a luxurious or like branded car. And also they spend money in traveling, because it
Yes.
suits, calms their mind. So yes, in different aspects they uh, spend money. And apart from that, in themselves, as I can remember the quote of Bill Gates, the self investment is the best investment as you can do. So
Yeah.
they invest in themselves to improve them
Hmm.
and to be a better version of them. So that is great investment, I would say.
Okay. So what do you think of their homes now? If you have seen Ambani's house, right? So if you think about their Antilla, it's called Antilla in Mumbai. So what do you feel about their homes? Do you think it's worth having such homes?
I think they have money, so it is their lifestyle, whatever they want, so they can do. I have seen
So
like
Rakesh, if you had the money, so
yes,
I said,
yes.
Rakesh, if you had the money, would you build a home like that, or would you build a different kind of home?
Yes, definitely. If I would have such kind of financial ability or financial independence, definitely I would build that kind of home. And also I would think to uh, like uh, expand my business as well. And as I believe in self investment, so I would also invest in myself so that I could improve myself. Uh, uh, Means fastly. So that's the thing I would definitely do. And if I talk about home, definitely I would do if I would have that freedom of finance. But I would say, like, rather than investing in, like, I prefer to be a luxurious person, and if I have that like financial freedom, so definitely I would go. But rather than that, if I like also think about people who are in my family, or also people who are surrounded of me, so I would also look after them. So yeah.
Okay, great, great. Thank you for answering that. So good, Rakesh. You did give a good answer, but you said something fastly, which was a little incorrect. But I, because of network lag, I missed the sentence. Yeah. So you
Okay.
said something regarding fastly.
Yes, yes, firstly, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So that was incorrect. You will not say fastly. I would like to do it fast. Okay. So that's what
Okay.
that's how you can say it. Okay. Also, Rakesh, I want you to be a little more expressive now when you are saying the answers. Okay, because that is
Okay.
something you're speaking well. Your grammar mistakes are less, but now you can be a little more expressive. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do I say expressive? You can take the pauses at the right time when you're answering. Okay, and you will
Mm-hmm.
also put some kind of expression on your face. It can be a smile, it can be a little bit of emotions which is coming on your face. So that makes you more effective speaker, because when you are being expressive and also at the same time you're taking care of your pauses and other voice modulation.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
So yeah, just the last, I think just towards the end of the session, so we will just end up with few more questions. So are you personally inspired by any one of them?
Yes, yes. Ratan Tata, as we talked previously, he donated 1,500 crore rupees. So by that, I really get inspiration. And apart from that, there is a like few quotes which really inspires. Few quotes of them that really inspires me. So like if I have to share one quote, like. If you don't find a way how to make money while you sleep. It is given by Warren Buffett. So Warren Buffett. That is
Okay,
really
so
great. That's really
if you
inspiring.
can repeat the, sorry, if you can repeat the quote again, can you repeat the quote again with a little expression so that it's better understood?
Yes, if you don't find a way how to make money online or how to make money while you sleep, if you don't find the way how to make money while you sleep, you will have to work until your death. That is what it
Yeah.
says. Yes.
Okay. Great, great. So good. I can see the little bit changes, but I think there is a network lag, Rakesh, today. So
Yes,
the
yes.
words were going
I
haywire.
think
Yeah.
you might have observed because of network. So, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So there was a changes there. Okay, no problem.
Mhm.
Fine. So just towards the last question, do you think having a family business makes it easier to become a billionaire?
Having family business in a family.
Yes. So
Mm.
yeah. So do you think that having a family business makes it easier for you to become a billionaire?
Yes, in a family, like we work together, and it is a like team. We know each other well. We know each other well. So it would be like it would give us clarity, as well as we will be able to grow our business easily because we know each other, and understanding plays very important roles as we know each other. So because of that understanding, we will be able to understand or know that where we are lacking, and as we work on that, so definitely we will grow, and it will be easy for us to become a billionaire.
Yes. Also, Rakesh, when you if you see that when we are talking about becoming a billionaire, if you're having a family business, it becomes quite easier. But if you have to
Yes.
start everything by your own, from the scratch, it becomes a little different, difficult. So
Mm-hmm.
that is something, and you need a lot of guts, and you need a lot of confidence to start your own business. But when it's a family business, your father, your forefathers are running a business or a show, you know that how to take it forward. So then it becomes much more easier, to become a billionaire rather than having a standalone business.
Yes, yes. In family business, we also get guidance from our parents as well as from our elders.
Right,
So definitely, it would be easy for
right,
us to become a billionaire or to get growth.
correct.
Mm.
Right. So, Rakesh, yes, we are also coming towards the end of the session. It was an amazing conversation with you. I could see that you're putting all the inputs to give a good answer. Yes, here and there were some mistakes, but because of the network lag, there was a problem to correct it as well. Yeah. So I would say that keep it up, but at the same time, be a little more expressive so that you connect with your audience as much as possible.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So
Okay, I
yes,
will work.
thank you so much, and it was a pleasure to meet you. I will see you very soon again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Definitely, we will meet again. Thank you.
Bye. Yeah. Bye,
Bye.
Rakesh. All the best.
Bye. Thank you.